Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're exploring WayAway, a flight aggregator found at WayAway.io. This platform aims to simplify the process of booking air travel, promising users an easy-to-navigate interface and potentially significant cost savings. WayAway aggregates flight deals from various airlines and online travel agencies, presenting you with a comprehensive list of options for your chosen route. The stated goal is to help you quickly compare prices and find the best possible deal. One of the key features touted by WayAway is its cashback program, offering a percentage back on your bookings. This return can be a significant perk, potentially offsetting some of the costs associated with travel. While the exact percentage and specifics of the cashback program may vary, it's certainly an attractive element for budget-conscious travelers. They also offer a premium version, WayAway Plus, that unlocks even more cashback benefits. We'll delve into more details about WayAway Plus and its advantages later. Beyond just finding and booking flights, WayAway aims to be a comprehensive travel resource. It offers access to other travel-related services, further enhancing its appeal as a one-stop shop for your trip planning needs. Whether you're looking for accommodation options, rental cars, or other travel essentials, WayAway seeks to provide a streamlined platform for accessing these services. This integrated approach can potentially simplify the often complex process of organizing a trip. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the functionality of WayAway, exploring its user interface, search features, and the overall booking process. We'll examine how easy it is to use, the clarity of the information presented, and the effectiveness of the search filters in narrowing down results to suit your specific travel criteria. Furthermore, we'll analyze the cashback system, looking at the practical benefits and how it compares to other similar platforms. We'll also examine the value proposition of WayAway Plus and whether the premium features justify the added cost. Stay tuned for a comprehensive review of WayAway and discover if this platform is the right tool for your next travel adventure.